All right, welcome back to the Nine Dimes Project. This video is the debt-free life, how to never owe anyone anything. It's Friday, June 12th. So imagine you're waking up owing nobody anything. No student loans, no car payments, no credit card bills, nothing. Every dollar you earn is yours. Today we're showing you how to build a completely debt-free life from the start. Most people think debt is normal. It is not. It is a choice. So, quick disclaimer, we're not financial advisors. This isn't financial advice. This is the path more people need to hear about. So why debt is the wealth killer? So here's some math. A $30,000 car loan at 7% for 5 years is $35,640 in total paid. You paid $5,640 for the privilege of borrowing that. And then that $5,640 invested instead equals $40,000 plus over 30 years. The average American's debt load is $37,000 for student loans. Average car loan is $23,000. Average credit card is $6,500. That's total $66,500 before they even start building wealth. The opportunity cost, every dollar going to debt is a dollar not invested. Every dollar going to interest is pure wealth destruction. Debt keeps you running in a place while others build. The stress costs. Debt creates anxiety. Excuse me. Creates anxiety, limits options, and traps you in jobs you hate. When you're debt free, you have freedom to take risks, change paths, and live on your terms. So the big three debt traps and how to dodge them. Most debt comes from three sources: student loans, car loans, credit card debt. And student loans, the easy path is borrow 50 to 150K plus, and you figure it out later. The smart path is skip college, which this is our entire channel, or community college, then transfer and work while studying. And you get scholarships and grants only. You graduate with zero debt or don't go. Car loans, the easy path is finance a $30,000 car with a $500 a month payment. The smart path is save $3,000 to $7,000 cash, buy a reliable used Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, drive it till it dies, and save what would have been payments by your next car in cash. Never have a car payment ever, non-negotiable. Credit card debt. The easy path, swipe now, worry later. The smart path is only spend what you already have in checking. Auto pay full balance every month. If you can't pay it in full, you can't afford it. Credit cards are tools for building credit, not for borrowing. Now, about good debt. People say mortgages, student loans, and business loans are good debt. Good debt can exist, but it's not required. People buy houses with cash. People build skills without student loans. And people start businesses with savings. And a lot of time you can start a business with really next to nothing these days. When debt might make sense, mortgage only if payment is under 25% of your income. You pay 20% down and you have a 15-year term. None of this 30-year outrage. Outrageous, diabolical. Business loan only if you've proven the concept first. Never get student loans for uncertain career paths, cars, lifestyle spending. Never do those. Safest path, assume all debt is bad until proven otherwise. So here's a debt-free system. It's going to be 4 pillars. Pillar 1, emergency fund. $1,000 starter emergency fund first, then build 3 to 6 months of expenses or longer. And this prevents emergency credit card use. No emergency fund is guaranteed future debt. Pillar 2, sinking funds. Save monthly for predictable expenses. Car repairs, $50 to $100 a month. Medical, $20 to $50 a month. Phone replacement, $20 to $30 a month. Travel, whatever you want to spend on travel. When the expense hits, cash is waiting. Pillar 3, the patience principle. You want something, save for it. TV, furniture, vacation, save first, buy, then buy. If you can't wait to save for it, you can't afford it. Patience is the price of freedom. And pillar 4, the income buffer. Live on less than you make, always. Your lifestyle should be 2 to 3 raises behind your income. And the buffer is never needing to borrow. If you're starting with 0 debt, and most before you're 18, you should be no debt. And this is a gift. Don't waste it. Every decision from here either keeps you debt free or it doesn't. It's easier to stay debt free than to get debt free. If you already have debt, list everything: balances, interest rates, minimum payments. Attack your highest interest first. This is the avalanche method. Or the smallest balance first for momentum, and this is the snowball method. Every extra dollar goes to debt until it's gone. Then never go back into debt. The debt-free reality is no payments is maximum investing power. No payments is maximum career flexibility. No debt payments, minimum stress. No debt payments is true freedom. So to help you to build wealth, we have financial tools which are all free. Links in the description. So comment, are you debt free? What's your biggest debt temptation if you're not? Next week, we're talking about your first $10,000 and that money that changes everything. All right. Wealth Builders, we'll see you next week. This is 9 Dimes Project. Peace.